like water.
Hi guys, just a quick video making cookies with your parrots. Possible, you can do it. While they're still warm, put them in here. Hero, you're making cookies with me? Yeah? You can't have one though. Too much sugar, baby. Too much. Can't do it. Alright. Next batch. What's the matter? We're making cookies. Why is this screaming? Baka, 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 baka. Try it. It's tons of fun. No, actually, it's doable. You guys just have one hand left. And they just enjoy being with you, that's all. They just want to be around you. Usually what I do is put their trees right here and then I'll do my thing. So yeah, and of course it's probably not as sanitary to have your birds right there. But spend time with your birds, whether you do it while making cookies or doing anything else. But spend time with your birds all day, every day, okay? I pre-make my doughs and then I put them in the refrigerator and I kind of make like little sausages and then I just cut slices. Hey you. Hey you. Of course Olivia is helping too. And where's she sitting? On my head. As always, but that's okay. She's a good girl, and she's potty trained. Time. Yeah. Yes, my dogs are with me too. And yes, I am also nuts. Yes. I am crazy for doing this with 3 parrots and 3 dogs and 2 kids. But you know what? Just do it. Olivia likes my cookies. That good? You like my cookie? Milo.